Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to format your Nintendo Switch so it runs like new, and this is going to pretty much delete everything on here. So let's go to System Settings. This is the easiest way to do it. And then scroll on down, go to System, go to the right, scroll on down under here. It'll be the last option, Formatting Options. And we can reset the cache, delete saved IDs and password, cookie history, and other cache website data. We can reset the keyboard. We can format the micro SD card. All data on the micro SD card will be deleted and will be formatted so that can be used with this console. And then we can go to Initialize Console, delete all the data in the system memory. So this is probably what you'd want to do. You want to delete everything and then start over, or you can just format a specific SD card or something like that. So if you select this, it'll close the software, and then you'll go through a series of screens. It might take like 5 to 10 minutes to reset everything, but then you're going to have to download all your software again. So just a heads up, hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.